The conference is really nice. I'm really impressed by the scope that the conference touched. So really so many of aspects of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is really a big cake, and it's not easy in one conference to have all the elements. But I think here the DNSC was really able to put together most of the players and cover most of the topics. And I'm also impressed by the quality of the participants and the geographical distribution. So far, a really important events. I'm happy that we are here to present and also to network. We need to network because, as we always say, cybersecurity is a team sport. We are the winning team, but we need to build our team.
Right. And what about the competence center? What are the next steps going through?
The competence center is now in a great moment. We just reached financial autonomy only a month ago. We signed our headquarter agreement with the Romanian government, and now tomorrow we have our opening of our premises. We are really completing the startup phase and moving into a more operational phase. So we're really happy with that. We are running more than 140 projects, 2 large procurement for the cyber hubs. Around 700 million almost invested by January. So it's we're starting to make a difference, and we want to keep making a difference in Europe.
Okay, I heard that the NCCs on every territory is growing, and what you can tell about that?
But the NCC they are completed, so they're all set up. They are operating. It's a new way of cooperating. This is something new for all of us. So there are different level of maturity of the different NCC, but I'm always impressed when I visit an NCC to see how they transform the mission, which is common for everybody, into some of the national flavor. So I really see how different NCC act on their local ecosystem in a different way. So I like, because in Europe we don't have one size fits all. We need to ensure that each member state transform the regulation and the missions into their own way. And I think we are on a progressing. It's a community that we need to build. It's the first level of our community.
Okay, and those different levels of maturity from the member states, how do you think it could be suitable to address that gap?
This is not a problem. I mean, clearly we have larger member states which have a more stratified ecosystem, also different responsibilities. Smaller member states which tend to centralize for efficiency reasons. But I think it's the mission is the same. They're all part of our governing board. They're all part of our SSC network, and so there is a common level of understanding of the activity to be done. So I absolutely don't see a problem in the fact that I have to say, if a smaller member state, maybe they are even in a better position because they can reach easily the community. While member states which have a stratified level of responsibility tend to have more level of bureaucracy, if I can say it. So I think we are really building something new, something which make a difference.
Do you think a news channel dedicated for cybersecurity specific policy making could help to bridge?
If it's your channel, for sure, it will help. But the more we talk about it, the more we educate, the better it is. So I think we have to target different age group or different somehow level of societies in a different way. So definitely channel with that is useful. Social media is useful. Education in school is useful. We need to send the message as broad as possible. And definitely this is one way of